Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Amarillisbulbs kit is probably one of the most rewarding and visually stunning ways to bring vibrant, natural beauty into your home, especially during the colder months when outdoor blooms are scarce, offering a unique opportunity to cultivate these magnificent flowers from bulbs right on your windowsill or desk, transforming a simple bulb into a spectacular display of large, trumpet-shaped flowers that can bloom in a variety of rich colors, making it an ideal project for both seasoned gardeners and complete beginners looking for a touch of living art. Number 5. Superstar Potted Amaryllis. Introducing the Superstar Potted Amaryllis, a complete package designed to bring the joy of flowers. It arrives gift-ready, making it the perfect present for any occasion. This all-in-one kit includes everything you need to grow beautiful flowers. You'll find the bulb, soil, and container, ensuring a hassle-free experience from start to finish. Looking for a thoughtful indoor gift? This plant is a fantastic choice, offering vibrant blooms with minimal effort. It's a low-maintenance way to brighten any home. We use only premium, large bulbs, specifically a 28-30 count, to ensure robust growth. This means you'll get the most impressive blooms possible. Anticipate the magic as it blooms within 4 to 8 weeks of planting. Watch as your efforts transform into stunning floral displays. Presented in beautiful, gift-ready packaging, this amaryllis is ready to impress. It's a thoughtful and elegant gift that's sure to be cherished. What we like? This kit is perfect for anyone looking for a hassle-free gifting experience. It comes beautifully packaged and includes everything needed to get started. If you need a thoughtful present that requires no extra shopping, this is the one for you. What people say? The bulbs are of good quality and have a nice size. The kit includes everything needed to get started, making it very convenient. The flowers that bloomed were beautiful and vibrant, exceeding expectations. Number 4. Amaryllis Growing Kit, Red Lion. Introducing the Amaryllis Growing Kit, featuring the magnificent Red Lion variety. Everything you need is included to start your blooming journey. Inside this kit, you'll find a large Red Lion Amaryllis bulb, a perfect-sized pot with a saucer, and a professional-grade growing medium. Watch as it grows to an impressive height of 20 to 24 inches. The bulb itself is a substantial size, ensuring a robust plant. Perfect for indoor growing in any zone, it will typically bloom 6 to 10 weeks after planting. Just find a sunny spot and let nature take its course. Looking for a thoughtful present? This kit makes a wonderful gift for all your gardening friends and family members. Share the joy of growing. What we like? For those who appreciate classic beauty and impressive height, this option is ideal. It features the popular Red Lion variety and is designed to grow tall, making a statement. If you are looking for a dramatic floral display and enjoy traditional favorites, consider this kit. What people say? The bulbs are large and healthy, ensuring a good start for your plants. The kit includes detailed instructions, making it easy for beginners to succeed. The Amaryllis bulbs produce stunning, vibrant blooms that are sure to impress. Number 3. Amaryllis Minerva Bulb Kit. Introducing the Amaryllis Minerva Kit, a complete package for effortless indoor gardening. It includes everything you need to get started, from the bulb to the pot and soil. This kit comes with a plastic pot, soil, and a large, high-quality bulb. You'll have all the essentials for a successful planting experience. Presented in an attractive gift box, this makes for a wonderful present. Surprise your loved ones with the gift of blooming beauty. Watch as it transforms your space with stunning blooms in just 7 to 10 weeks after planting. It's a quick and rewarding gardening project. The kit features a large bulb, measuring 26-28 centimeters, ensuring a robust and impressive display. Get ready for vibrant, eye-catching flowers. Perfect for both your garden and patio, it brings a touch of elegance wherever you place it. Enjoy its beauty indoors or outdoors. What we like? This choice is excellent for those who want a unique and striking bloom with a guaranteed wow factor. The Minerva variety is known for its distinct beauty, and the giant bulb ensures a spectacular show. If you desire something a bit different and want to impress with an eye-catching gift, this is a fantastic selection. What people say? The bulbs are large and healthy, indicating good quality. The kit includes clear instructions for planting and care, making it easy for beginners. The flowers produced are vibrant and beautiful, exactly as advertised. Number 2. Amaryllis Apple Blossom Growing Kit. This kit provides everything you need to start growing your own beautiful amaryllis apple blossom. It includes the bulb, pot, saucer, and specialized soil. For the best results, we recommend planting in mid to late spring, after the last frost. This ensures your plant has the ideal conditions to thrive. Please be mindful of extreme weather when ordering. Temperatures below 32 degrees Fahrenheit or above 95 degrees Fahrenheit during shipping can potentially harm your plant. Extreme heat or cold during transit can be damaging. We advise exercising caution and using your best judgment when ordering in these conditions. Refer to our planting guide for specific recommendations tailored to your region. This will help you ensure a successful and vibrant bloom. What we like. If you're planning ahead for spring or love the delicate charm of the apple blossom variety, this kit is a great pick. It provides the essentials for growing this specific, beautiful bloom. If you enjoy planning your garden and prefer softer floral colors, this is a wonderful choice. What people say. The bulbs are large and healthy, with no signs of rot or damage. The kit includes everything needed to get started, including a pot, soil, and instructions. The amaryllis bloomed beautifully, with large, vibrant red flowers. Number 1. Rustic Tin Red Lion Amaryllis Holiday Gift Kit. Introducing the Deluxe Edition Amaryllis Holiday Gift Kit. It's everything you need to grow a stunning red lion amaryllis right at home. This kit comes complete with a stylish rustic silver pot, one large bulb, a charming burlap gift bag, and professional growing medium. Planting is best done in mid to late spring, after the last frost. This ensures your bulb thrives and grows beautifully. We take care to ship your plant safely. Please consider extreme weather conditions when ordering to ensure it arrives in perfect condition. This beautiful amaryllis makes a wonderful gift or a festive addition to your own holiday decor. Enjoy the magic of growing. What we like. This deluxe kit offers a unique, rustic aesthetic that's perfect for holiday gifting or for someone who loves a charming, natural look. The inclusion of a rustic tin pot and burlap bag adds a special touch. If you're seeking a distinctive presentation and a touch of rustic elegance, this is the ideal option. What people say. The bulbs are large and healthy, indicating good quality. The kit includes detailed instructions for planting and care, making it easy for beginners. The amaryllis bulbs are known for their vibrant colors and impressive blooms. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.